Hello, good morning. We're expecting livestock here soon, a few head of cattle, so I have to prepare this first field for that. As you can see, the dam butts into it there. They're the neighbours' horses. The neighbour behave themselves and don't get in the dam too much, but the cattle will. So what I'm going to do is fence that off. What that means is we have to come up with another method to drink. So I'm going to install a tank. This is the setup. We've got a 200 litre trough, water trough. I think that's about, what is that, about 50 metres of 1 inch poly, and then the float system. Got a couple of joiners and things that we'll use, but as we go through it I'll show you each thing. Alright, these are the 1 inch pipe fittings, got several of them. From where we are, where we'll start from is the tap, funny enough. Up at the house is pressurised water, and we're going to run the poly along the ground down to that paddock and the tank. So to attach the poly to the tap, we start off with a standard 1 inch thread that'll go straight onto the tap. That'll attach straight to the tap, and these slide inside, and then this piece slips over the bottom as the pipe runs out. We're doing about an 18 inch pipe straight from the tap to the ground, and then from there we'll run it along the ground out to the paddock. So I've run our PVC down to just above ground level with a 90-degree elbow heading out the direction we're heading. We'll attach our main line to that. And our main line is running off from the tap out towards the paddock. Right, I think we're ready to go. You can see that the pipe just goes straight into the trough, just with the same connection screws in, and then straight onto the valve and float on the other side, like that. Also, on top of that, is just this little cover, sits over the top. Stops the animal breaking it. It's time to test it out. So far so good. Seems to be filling well. We'll see how it goes once that the water level hits that float valve. Should go on its own. That seems to be filling pretty well. Getting pretty close. So of course the idea is that float will raise and turn the tap off. You can hear that valve start to shut now as the float raises. So it's starting to partially. There we have it. It's shut off. Worked a treat.